Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Rick and this is Directed Tech. I've got some breaking news for you today. So, if in the last month or, well, half a month since May 2nd, if you've purchased a BambuLab printer or AMS unit, then you might get a little bit of money back. So, Bambu has announced that they will refund, they'll give you store credit essentially, for the difference in price on the printers and AMS units that have been purchased since the tariffs have increased. Well, now that they've gone back down, they have lowered prices again. So if we look real quick here, I'll pull up the page, you can see that the BambuLab H2D is now back to $1,999 here in the US. The combo is $22.99, which is what I paid for it at launch, and the laser combo is $28.99 for the 10-watt module, and the 40-watt module is $36.49. Anyway, same holds true for their the AMS systems. Now back on, I think May, I'd have to look back at the date, but when I ordered my BambuLab HT, I got the notification that it was finally for sale. It was $199. Well, as you can see here on the screen, it is now $159. So, 40 bucks store credit coming my way. How do you do it? Let me show you. All you got to do is click here on the little chatbot icon. We'll go General Inquiry. And then come down here and you'll see US tariff updates. So obviously this applies to those of us in the United States who purchased recently. So, will you adjust prices due to the recent US tariff reductions? So click on that link and it says yes, the price adjustment has taken effect around 5 p.m. May 15th. If your recent printer AMS order meets all of the criteria below, you may request a gift card for the price difference. Click here to apply. So here are the terms and conditions. The order must have been placed on our official US store. The printer/AMS package must have been received on or after May 2nd, including packages still in transit, and the order must have been placed before May 15th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. No refunds or returns initiated for this order, and only the purchases of printers or AMS qualify for this application. So if that applies to you, then you click this little click here to apply. It's going to take you to another screen. You'll log into your account. It's going to take you to this next screen, and you only have a couple of, well, actually you really only have one option here. It's to send a coupon. So you're going to get your refund in the form of a gift card, but then all you got to do is enter in your order number. You can get your order number from going back to your account and looking at your prior purchases. You should have already gotten an email when you made the purchase that will also have your order number. So you're just going to go ahead and paste that in here. If you have multiple orders, you can add them, and then finally you're going to hit that submit button. Now I've already done this, and we'll take a look at my email here real quick and see what that looks like. So I went and I put in my order number, and which I'm going to block out. But once I did that, you hit submit, you'll get a ticket created, and they will tell you that they will, they've received your application and they will process it. I couldn't tell you exactly how long this is going to take, but eventually your refund money will be coming your way. So that's all I got for you today. I just wanted to take a quick moment to make a timely video to get that out for you so we can get it up on the YouTube channel, and hopefully some of you can get some money back from BambuLab. So take care, everyone. Oh, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. You know the drill. But let's keep on growing. No, wait, how does that go? Learning, burning, growing, printing together? You know what I mean. Take care, everyone.